everybody! I'm here today to show you how to write a good paragraph. This will be a writing tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So the length of the paragraph all depends on the type of format that you're writing and your individual style. I can't tell you a length for a paragraph. Some paragraphs can be 3 or 4 sentences, others can be 30 sentences. It's all legitimate. But I can tell you what you need to include in your paragraph. So the first thing that you need to include, and bear with me because I'm writing on this surface that's sort of like all bumpy, but the first thing that you need to include is a topic sentence. So that will be the first thing that you need to include, a topic sentence. And then the middle sentences, middle space sentences support the topic sentence. And then the last sentence is a conclusion. Okay? And some good words that you want to try and include in your paragraph, and I'll give you an example of a paragraph in just a moment, but some good words that you might want to use are like however, therefore, nonetheless, moreover. These are great transition words that you can use in your paragraph. So I'll give you a quick example of a paragraph that I would be writing. I'm probably not going to write. I'll probably write the whole thing out just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let's just write the paragraph over here. I have some ideas off to the side, so I'm going to kind of be reading and writing back and forth. So we're going to start off with an intro sentence, a topic sentence, which would be, I have always loved filming videos. So I have always loved filming videos. Period. That's a topic sentence. Now, sorry about my messy writing, but just listen to what I'm saying, okay? I make videos about anything and everything that pertains to my knowledge base. So that's now supporting the fact that I have always loved making videos. So I make videos about everything and anything pertaining to my knowledge base. Okay? So now I've supported the topic sentence, and you'll notice the topic sentence, I made it very short, but my supporting sentences are long. That's very stylistic because you're giving them a quick idea, but then you're supporting it with evidence, okay? My outgoing personality allows me to feel comfortable on camera. My outgoing personality allows me to feel comfortable on camera. Okay? Period. So my outgoing personality allows me to feel comfortable on camera. Another supporting sentence for me loving making my videos. However, sometimes I run out of ideas. However, there's that word right there. However, comma, sometimes I run out of video ideas. So I'm still supporting the fact that I love making videos because it's telling you that sometimes I run out of video ideas, but the next sentence will back this up even further. Okay? When that happens, I consume more content to generate more ideas. When that happens, I consume more content to generate more ideas. Okay, now I'm going to finish it off with a nice conclusion sentence, and I'm going to use a nice transition word. And I'm going to say, with that being said, when you say that, you're saying like, based on all of this evidence, okay? So I'm going to say, with that being said, I can foresee myself making more videos into the distant future. With that being said, comma, I can foresee myself making many more videos into the distant future. Period. That's it. There's a good paragraph right there. It can be much longer if you want, but this is a good thing to start with and work with. You got your intro sentence. I have my conclusion, okay, and I have my transition words, however, with that being said, those are nice transition words. And then I have my supporting sentences all in the middle. Okay. I even show a little bit of an oppositional side, which is sometimes I run out of video ideas. That's like the oppositional side. But then I crush that by saying, when that happens, this is what I do to continue love making videos. I consume more content. That's it. That is essentially how to write a good paragraph. You have your topic sentence, middle sentences are supporting, your last sentence is a conclusion. And just a quick side note, for stylistic purposes, whenever you have a pause in your speaking, you want to put a comma there. So with that being said, I can foresee myself making many more videos into the distant future. With that being said, comma, because there's a pause there. So that's just a little tip for you all. That's it. That is how to write a good paragraph. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.